Introducing Decor Company's range of moving gear wall clocks. These wall clocks don't just tell you the time, they are a statement piece for your wall. Check out this maritime world map wall clock. It really is a piece of art. We have a huge range of design, ranging from antique to modern designs, and they all come with full stainless steel bodies. The moving gear mechanism really gives these wall clocks a very premium feel. To check out the entire range, click on Buy Now below.